Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to build your own automation system for Gumroad. If you are building custom software or advanced automations, you can integrate Gumroad using its API and webhook system. So first and first, what you want to do is to actually access our Gumroad. So as I told you before, in today's small tutorial, we're going to go through how to integrate Gumroad with a custom API workflow. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So let's go first to look for gumroad.com so we can enter our Gumroad account. Tap on this, then it will take you automatically to this new tab where you should just log in to access this dashboard. Then we're gonna go all the way down to settings. As you see here, we have multiple options: profile, name and all of this, design, connect to social media. We have team, password, and third-party analytics. Domain verification, custom JavaScript, all of these. We also have advanced domain, block emails, ping, endpoint, and all of this. Go and look for your API key and copy it. Next, you should go and create a webhook to send events like new sale, refunds, subscriptions, updates, whatever. Then use your backend servers or automation platform to receive the webhook data. For example, you can go through Zapier.com. Look for Gumroad here, then basically let's go and look for webhooks by Zapier itself. Webhooks, here we go. So this is our integration now. We have sale here, custom request for example. Then you can integrate it for free or start with Google for free. Now process your data through your custom API workflow. For example, like sending emails, updating database, or even granting access. Now your custom system can respond automatically to any Gumroad events, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.